Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily level any RV camper once you arrive at the campsite. It'll make camping and setup much more enjoyable, faster, and less hectic. I came across this product on Amazon. This is the Kohree wireless RV leveling system. I'll show you how to install it as well as set it up. So let's get started. Before you begin installation on your Kohree RV leveling system, if your unit does have a slide out, have it completely extended, because that will throw off the weight and the leveling of your camper. Once your slide out is completely extended, make sure you are level side to side. Once you have your RV leveled side to side, the next step is to make sure you are level front to back. Again, it's a personal choice whether you want just a little bit of an angle back or a little angle forward, depending on where your bedroom sits and how you like it inside. So once you have it level, take a walk inside, maybe sit at the table, lay down on your bed, and make sure it's how you like it. Here's a look at what comes inside the box. You have your Kohree wireless leveler. Comes with 2 screws for mounting and your instruction user's manual. On the back of the box, it will also show you how to mount it and secure it with the 2 screws that are supplied. To begin installation, remove these 2 tabs that are covering the batteries. You're going to find 2 holes, and that's where you will place your screws and mount it securely to your RV. The unit comes with 2 CR2450 batteries. Now find a location that's more towards the front of your unit and in a safe, secure spot with easy access where you're going to want to mount your Kohree RV wireless system. I've chosen to place it in the driver's side compartment storage up front. I'm going to secure my system right up here. And it'll be out of my way, but easy access because you're going to want to turn it on and off when you get to your campsite. I'm going to temporarily secure it with some Velcro with adhesive backing on it. And that way I'll be able to test it out when I get to the campsite and make sure it's in the correct spot where I like it before I go ahead and install the screws and then it's permanent. So I'd suggest maybe trying that if you have some double-sided tape or Velcro to go ahead and temporarily secured in place. Before you open up the app, make sure you have the unit turned on. It's going to search for the device. And you will hear a beep coming from the unit up front. Now you want to measure the distance between the outside of the tire on both sides and enter it in this space here. Once you have that measurement entered, you want to measure the distance between the front jack and the center point of the last wheel. So I'll go ahead and get these 2 measurements and then we'll carry on with the rest of the steps. After you have those 2 measurements in, continue with the rest of the setup process. It's asking you here, what side did you mount the wireless leveler on? The left side or the right side? Choose that. And which direction it's facing. We have it facing the front. Now this next step is very important. Before you press set level on your app, be sure to fully retract and close up any slides that you have open. After you have your slides fully closed up, then you can proceed to press set level. If everything was set properly, you're going to see this next screen. It's going to show you front to back. Everything should be level. Side to side, it should be level. And this Kohree does have the hitch position recall memory. That's a really nice feature. If you ever need to make adjustments or new settings, say you purchase a new RV or camper, you can press the settings logo up the top. You can then change the width, length, units, rudder side. And if you end up changing the location of your wireless leveler, you can also change the settings on here. This RV wireless leveling system is going to make setup much quicker when you get to the campsite and more time to enjoy your weekend. No more climbing in and out of the vehicle, getting out your level and checking everything to make sure it's squared up and level. Simply turn this on, pull out your app on your phone, sit in your vehicle and back up until you're nice and level. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.